Given the multitude of products available, choosing the ideal one may pose a considerable challenge. However, we have thoughtfully curated a selection of the 6 best products to simplify your decision-making process. We kindly invite you to peruse the detailed descriptions, including their most up-to-date pricing. Pennzoil Platinum. A company founded in 1913 with origins in Pennsylvania, Pennzoil is one of 3 brands on our ranking under the larger Shell banner. Pennzoil's synthetic oil line is unique in that it's made with natural gas rather than crude. According to the company, that base oil has fewer impurities found in the crude base other companies start out with. The result is a line of synthetic oils that are purported to keep pistons cleaner, deliver better fuel economy, and work better in extreme temperatures. Pennzoil's full synthetic offering features a 4.8-star average on Amazon and an impressive ratings count of nearly 11,000. The company's century-plus history and the claim that using Pennzoil will protect for 15 years and add an extra 550 miles per year on average contribute to customers' loyalty and willingness to share their success stories with others. Despite all these benefits, the price range for even Pennzoil's high-end ultra-platinum motor oil line is still markedly lower than several of its competitors' products. Mobil 1 High Mileage. Mobil 1 High Mileage. Full synthetic motor oil 5W30, available in a convenient 6-pack of 1-quart bottles, is the perfect choice for keeping your high-mileage vehicle running smoothly. This motor oil is specifically designed for engines with over 75,000 miles, addressing the unique needs of older engines. The 5W30 viscosity grade is suitable for a wide range of temperatures, providing excellent cold start protection and consistent high-temperature performance. Its full synthetic formula offers outstanding protection against engine wear, sludge buildup, and deposits, ultimately extending the life of your engine. This motor oil is fully compatible with various vehicle makes and models, making it a versatile choice for those with multiple vehicles or fleet maintenance needs. With Mobil 1 High Mileage Full Synthetic Motor Oil, you can trust that your high-mileage engine will continue to perform at its best, delivering reliable and efficient performance for miles to come. Keep your engine in top condition with this trusted and renowned motor oil. Castrol Edge. Boasting fluid titanium technology, Castrol Edge Advanced Synthetic Oil is the choice for owners who are looking for maximum performance and protection for their vehicles. The fluid titanium technology claims to help the oil transform its structure under pressure in order to keep metal apart, while reducing friction for maximum engine performance. Castrol Edge improves oil film strength by 30% and reduces friction, which can rob your engine of horsepower. It's 10 times stronger against high-temperature oil thickening and is 6 times stronger against wear compared to the industry benchmark. The 0W grades will also improve your fuel economy. Depending on the viscosity, this oil meets or exceeds a wide range of industry standards, including API SN and SN+, ILSAC GF5, ACEA A1B1, and GM Dexos 1 Gen 2. Valvoline Premium. Blue Extreme. Valvoline Premium. Blue Extreme SAE 5W40. Full synthetic diesel engine oil, available in a case of 3 1-gallon containers, is the ideal choice for diesel engines that demand top-tier performance and protection. This full synthetic oil is designed to meet the high standards of modern diesel engines. The 5W40 viscosity grade provides excellent flow and cold start capabilities, ensuring your engine is well lubricated even in harsh weather conditions. It's a versatile oil suitable for various diesel engine applications. Valvoline's Premium Blue Extreme Oil offers exceptional protection against wear, deposits, and sludge, extending the life of your engine and ensuring optimal performance. Its advanced formulation is engineered to meet the demanding requirements of heavy-duty diesel engines. With a case of 3 1-gallon containers, you'll have an ample supply of high-quality engine oil for your diesel vehicles, making it a cost-effective and convenient choice for individuals or businesses with multiple trucks or a fleet of diesel-powered equipment. Trust Valvoline Premium Blue Extreme to keep your diesel engine running smoothly and efficiently. Amsoil ASL1G-EA. Amsoil offers the perfect blend of synthetic high-tech engineering and top-quality additives to provide your engine with the ultimate protection, cleanliness, and performance. This not only ensures your engine remains in peak condition, but also reduces the frequency of oil change intervals, saving you time and money in maintenance. The 5W30 viscosity grade offers versatile performance in a wide range of temperatures, including excellent cold start protection. It's suitable for various vehicle types, making it a versatile choice for those with different makes and models. With a focus on long-lasting performance and protection, Amsoil Signature Series Synthetic Motor Oil is an excellent choice for those who demand the best for their vehicles. By choosing Amsoil, you're making an investment in the longevity and efficiency of your engine. The superior formulation of Amsoil synthetic oil guarantees that your engine operates at its best, no matter the conditions. Whether you drive a Chrysler, Ford, GM, or another vehicle, you can trust Amsoil to deliver unmatched protection and performance. Liqui Moly 2259. Liqui Moly 2259. Special Tech AA5W20. Synthetic motor oil available in a 5-liter container is an exceptional engine oil designed to deliver superior lubrication and protection. This synthetic motor oil is specifically engineered to meet the latest industry standards, making it an excellent choice for modern vehicles. With a 5W20 viscosity grade, this oil provides outstanding performance across a range of temperatures, ensuring reliable cold start capabilities and consistent stability at higher temperatures. This versatility makes it suitable for diverse driving conditions. Liqui Moly's Special Tech AA synthetic motor oil is formulated to reduce friction, wear, and heat buildup, ultimately extending the lifespan of your engine and improving fuel efficiency. It is also compatible with emissions control systems, ensuring your vehicle meets environmental standards. The 5-liter container offers a substantial supply of high-quality engine oil, making it perfect for multiple oil changes or servicing a fleet of vehicles. Liqui Moly's commitment to quality and performance shines through in their Special Tech AA5W20 synthetic motor oil, making it an outstanding choice for any vehicle requiring this viscosity grade. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channels and also hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.